Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do that you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will pop out, then you can eject it with your bare hands. So here you just insert your SIM card and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to your SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.